everyone, are you new to the programming world? Have you done any programming or haven't done any programming whether in Python or any other language, but still you want to learn the language Python? So this video series is just for you. Let's get started. What's up guys, my name is Meenakshikaushal and I'm delighted to be the instructor of this video series. In this video series, I'm going to teach everything that you need to know to get started programming with Python step by step. Before we begin, let's answer an important question. Why learn Python, not any other language like C, C++, Java? There are so many other languages out there. Let me answer this question first from the perspective of the programming beginner. Python is the easiest language with this easy syntax. Now take a look to this program to add two numbers in Java. You don't need to understand it yet. Let's see how we would write the same program in Python. As you can see, the code written in Python is much more readable. The simplicity of Python allows you to focus more on logic rather than syntax. This is why Python is the first language to be taught in schools and universities. Another reason to learn Python is because of its growing popularity and applications. Python is used in machine learning, automation, web development, data analysis, scientific research, and many more. Python is used by many companies such as Google, Netflix, Facebook, and so on. It is also used by thousands and thousands of small companies. Now let's start learning Python. But before starting, we should be able to run Python. For that, I'll be using Thorny IDE and you can download it from the link provided below. Now let me open Thorny IDE and I will show you how to write and execute the Python code in it. We will write in this text area and then when I will hit the run, it will execute the code. It's that easy. Now let's write out our first program called Hello World. If you do not know, this is a very simple program that will display Hello World on the screen. This is the first program which is used to introduce programming language to the beginners. Let's write out our first program called Hello World. Now I'll type print parenthesis quotation marks in Hello World. And when I'll hit the run button, the output is displayed. That is Hello World. Before ending this video, I have a pro tip for you. The only way to learn programming is by writing the code. I highly recommend to write the program and run it on your own. If you have tried writing the program and got the output, give yourself a pat on the back because you have just created your first program in Python. That's it for this video. I hope you have learned something. If you liked my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. If you have any questions or any feedback, use the comment box below. See you in the next video. Thanks for your time.